Hello, bonjour tout le monde. I just wanted to come on here and make a little video about how to access some of the websites that we'll be using once online learning starts on Monday. Okay, so I did send out the two main ones will be the Outlook, the Office 365 email where students can access Teams, and then the other website, which was the school site's website, I sent out that link directly as well. Okay, but this will hopefully help you if you're just looking for it and just to refresh our memories. So I'm going to open up Google Chrome here, search engine. Okay, and I'm going to type in Nicholas Sharon School. Okay, and then the first website that pops up is École Nicholas Sharon School. And this is our home page here. And then on the left-hand side, you're going to see Office 365. Click on that. Okay, now I've already logged on to Office 365 quite a few times on this computer, and so it saved my email here. Okay, but students are going to type in their first name dot last name. Okay, and then grade 4 students will use the number 29, and grade 5 students will use the number 28. That actually corresponds with the year they'll graduate. So our grade 4s will graduate in 2029, and then our grade 5s will graduate in 2028. Okay, so that number, I don't have a number because I've already graduated. So aaron.vardy at lethsd.ab.ca. So they'll all need to put that in too. So it's their first name dot last name, 28 if they're in grade 5, 29 if they're in grade 4, at lethsd.ab.ca. Now, many of the students will know how to do this, but we did have a new student come into our class just like last week, so hopefully this will help him out and anyone else that has any questions. Okay, so then I'm going to go next, and then it's going to ask for their password. Now the password is the same password that they use when they log into the computer at school. So it's saved mine here. Now if students for some reason can't remember their passwords, send me an email and I can get that to them really quickly. Okay, so I'm going to click on sign in. Okay, and then it's going to take me to this website here. Okay, and this is my Office 365. Now the nice thing is in the left-hand corner is our waffle. Talk a lot about the waffle. And if you click on that, you're going to see they have Outlook, which is email, Microsoft Word, PowerPoint. Those are the two, Word and PowerPoint are two that the students will be using over the next couple weeks. Okay, so when I say to use a Word document or to open a Word document or to work on PowerPoint, this is where they're going to find those apps. Okay. Another very important app here is Teams. Now Teams, I just clicked on it. Teams is where we are going to meet every morning at 8:45 until 9:15, and then once again at 2:30 until about 3 o'clock. Okay, so I did click on Teams here, and so the team that they'll be using the most, or that is La Classe de Monsieur Vardy 4 or 5. Okay, and then there's a chat here that where I put our check-ins in the morning, check-in the afternoon. Students can also type on here as well, type messages. Okay, they can also text each other, and they're pretty good at doing that. They're actually students, the kids seem to know more technology sometimes than us adults. But so this is the site that for Teams that we'll be using when we meet every morning and at 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Okay. Okay, now the other site that I wanted to show you was that site where they're going to access all of their lessons. Now I did send out the direct link already for that, which was a school sites, but I'm going to show you another way to get there. If you type in your Google search under, if you type in lethsd.ab.ca, okay, that's going to take you to the Lethbridge School Division main website. And then if you click on the left-hand side where it says our schools, And then up at the top where it says 51 online, and scroll down, 51 online, view website. This is where all of the schools have their web pages, okay, where they post lessons for the students. Okay, so ours, École Agnes Davidson, École Nicholas Sharon. Now, when we went online in January, we were working really closely with Agnes Davidson, and we were kind of splitting up the work, and some teachers were doing math, some teachers were doing science, some were doing social. The different thing this time around is I will be providing lessons for all of the subjects, and so I think that'll make it a little bit easier for the students. So if I click on here, I'm going to scroll down to grade 4 French immersion. Now the reason it's grade 4, I do have a grade 4-5 class, of course, this year, but we are focusing on the grade 4 curriculum. So especially in science, science and social studies. Math, of course, is grade specific, right? So grade 4s will be learning something um, a little bit different than grade 5s, okay? But for the most part, we're working on the grade 4 concepts this year, okay? So grade 4 French immersion, click here. And then you're gonna, at the top, you're gonna see Monsieur Vardy 4-5, May, okay? And this is where you're gonna see all of the lesson plans that I will post every day. Okay, so it says bonjour up at the top, and then here are all the lessons for this coming Monday, May 10th, when we start at home learning. So all of it's on here. Okay, all of the lessons and how to do them. And then, of course, this page will be updated very quickly, or when it becomes available, like for Tuesday lessons, Wednesday lessons, and it goes all the way up until the last day. Hopefully we're only doing online learning till Friday, May 21st, but I will keep you posted about what that looks like. Okay, but this is where all of the lessons will be posted for the students. Okay, one other thing just before I end this video here, at the top of the page where it says quick links here, if you click on quick links, there's a quick links for NetMath. Now NetMath, we've been using NetMath quite a bit this year. And the nice thing about it is the grade 4s have a little section, the grade 5s have a section, and they work through a lot of the lessons and the activities on there, okay? So the quick links, if you click on NetMath, that will open up. And then you go into login, okay? And then login is the same username and the same password that they use for Office 365, the same password they use and log in to get into the computer. So they'll click grades 3 and up. And it's already saved my email in here, okay, but they're going to type in their email. And now I believe the students just have to put their first name dot last name and then their password, and it'll take them in. I don't think they have to do the first name dot last name 28 or 29 at lethsd.ab.ca. I'm pretty sure just first name dot last name and then their password. So you'll have to try that out and see how that works. Okay. All right, I think that is about it. I hope I didn't confuse you even more. But I did want to show, I just did want to refresh our memories on how to access some of these sites because we are starting online learning on Mondays. So fingers crossed everything works okay. Technology, I know, or we all know that sometimes technology can be a little tricky at times. So hopefully this all will work really well for us. So anyways, have a great rest of your weekend, and I will see you at around 8:45 on Monday morning. All right, take care.